Numerous vehicles continue to park along the sides of the Reims Road, a major route to many hospitals of the state, despite the notifications issued by the government for non-parking of the vehicles in the said locations. The numerous parking of the vehicles not only causes traffic jam but also disrupted the routes of the ambulances. Elite News gave an exclusive news regarding the said issues as road mishaps continue to occur in the said area.
Lamdam sigi khwaidagi chaw hospital ama oriba Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS yauna tongan ba Manipur gi maroi bo hospital kayana lairiba mayamna RIMS road harasu hengna khangnariba lamphel gi mafam asida RIMS road tanaba gi maroi ba lambi oriba Uripok lomdagi sangaktuna Langhol bi mamang faraga lakliba lambi amadi Nagamapal dagi sanglaktuna tariba RIMS road ki lambi paring asida miyamna lambi gi nak yeta gari sing khamjin badagi achouba ana layengi ambulance na singba gari sing lakpada traffic jam thokpadagi khudong thiba thokpa kaya yawgi paw leire haiduna Imphal West ki district deputy commissioner na lambi gi naget ani asida gari khamjindanabagi order thokhiba leirabasu ngasimak mafam asida lambi asida gari thauriba amadi dukan phamliba sing asigi mioi singna masa gi apa mamongda gari sing adu khambagi mami chauna tari loinana lambi gi nak yeta ngasimaksu gari sing khamjilli loinana gari sing asi khamjinbada chumna khamambagi mahutta lambi mayai da faw khamjinbagi fibam sing asi miyamna adumak thengnari loinana hauji akoina leijariba mafam asidasu uwa phangli
ki akoi ge area sida lambi ji khubunina gari ji bor saib khamjanba sida lambi ida gari accident thokpa angang nubi chokpa khotpa yamna yawi masi gi ketang ngai jade haidare laiba gi angang thong mayamna kari khambi no khangde maji hanadi nam khaktang khamamani bor saib khamjalli ado akoi gi traffic kangmuna su yamna honda bi adu orsu adum parjana yanta watpanina adum haidare
Lainga ki maikei dagi thokribo order asi miyamna khangwa watpadagira natraga khangna masagi khudongsa gadawa yenglaga khamlibra haibasisu achowa nainaningai ama oibada natana mafam sing asida leiriba yum singi mapu singnasu lambi ani asida gari punna khamjalakudagi accident toina thokpa yauna tongan ma thodok ya thokli hainasu pawdam lakli adum oinamak lainga ki maikei dagi su order asi thokraga tuminna leikrabra haibasisu achowa wahang ama oibada natana matam kharagi oina order thoklaba matung matam kharagi oina yengsilamba natana matam tung koina sangna lambi ani asida aranba thabak tawriba gari thawrakpa miyosing asibu phana bai damakta kari karamba thorang paikhatlibage haibadugi matangdadi amu hanna yengsiningai oiribra haibasi achoba wahangni video journalist Kritipasana Songgol loinana Elite News ki damak pawdam jariba Moirangthem Nganbrel Nagampal RIMS Road